Welcome to iScope Media. We bring you the latest political news from across the country. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Ahead of upcoming assembly polls in Uttar Pradesh, Bahujan Samaj Party spokesperson Sudhindra Bhadoria on Friday slammed Bharatiya Janata Party and Samajwadi Party for allegedly indulging in religion-based politics in the state. According to sources, Mr. Bhadoria said BJP is seeking vote in the name of Ram in Uttar Pradesh and SP is seeking it in the name of Jinnah, but public will give vote based on work, not on religion. He also added, what works have they done? Both parties failed to maintain the law and order in the state. People want BSP to rule, and that is why BSP will form the government in the upcoming assembly elections. Samajwadi Party National President Akhilesh Yadav's reference to Muhammad Ali Jinnah in the same breath as some of the stalwarts of India's freedom struggle has snowballed into a controversy, with UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath leading the charge against the SP chief. Adityanath, at a public meeting in Moradabad on Monday, said the comment smacked off Talibani mentality, which the people of the country and Uttar Pradesh will not tolerate. He was responding to Yadav's comment at a public meeting in Hardoi on Sunday that Sardar Patel, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and Muhammad Ali Jinnah studied in the same institute and became barristers. They helped get freedom and never backed away from any struggle. The speech came on the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, independent India's first Home Minister and the man who united the country by convincing the princely states to merge with the Union of India. Unlike the other three who studied law at the Inner Temple, Patel studied at the Middle Temple. Elections in Uttar Pradesh, India's most politically important state, are due early next year, and all parties, including the BJP and the SP, have launched their campaigns. Adityanath continued his criticism of Yadav in another meeting on Monday in Haryana's Faridabad. In the 2017 assembly elections, the BJP won a landslide victory, winning 312 assembly seats. The party secured a 39.67% vote share in the elections for 403-member assembly. Samajwadi Party bagged 47 seats, BSP won 19, while Congress could manage to win only 7 seats. Well, now stay with us. We shall bring you all the latest updates on this. This is Aparna Sundar reporting for iScope Media.